How to select all mails in Gmail. So guys, I'm going to show you my desktop as well as on my Android phone. So I will show you first in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Gmail, and I have uh, primary, social and promotion tab here. So I will show you how you can select all mail in primary. So if you want to select all mails in primary, you have to click on this. So you can see all 50 conversion has been selected of first page. Now if you want to select all from this primary tab, you have to click this select all conversion in primary. So you can see all 351 conversion has been selected. So now you can delete it, you can move it, you can delete from here. Okay, so that is how you can select all mails in laptop or desktop. So I will show you in my Android phone also. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, this is my mobile screen. You have in order to select all emails or mails in Gmail by using phone, we have to use our browser, because in Gmail app you can't select, there is no option to select all mail. So just go to your browser, Chrome browser, and here you can see I already selected. So I will show you. Then just go open the Google. Now log in with your email ID here, log in with your email ID, and now you have to log in with the email ID, and now click on this three dot option of your browser and go to the desktop site. So it will be convert your mobile view to desktop view. Now just zoom in and click on Gmail. So after tap on Gmail, it will be bring on into Gmail. But sometime what happen, when you click on Gmail, it will be bring you the directly Gmail app. So for that you have to go in the setting, and here you have to find apps setting, go to the app, and here you have to select Gmail application, or you can find Gmail application to by clicking see all. Okay, I just open the Gmail application here from settings. Now go to the advanced and click on open by default, and here you have to click don't open this app. Okay, so now just come back and come to the Google. Okay, if still if they open directly your Google Gmail app, so same process you have to do with Chrome browser app. Okay, so now come to the Gmail and just zoom it, and you can see I am in primary. There is a three tab: primary, social and promotion. So I am on my primary tab. So if I want to select all mail from primary, I have to click on this icon. So now you can see all 50 conversion of first page has been selected. Now if you want to select entire primary tab, entire emails, so here I have to click on this select all conversion, and now the all conversion has been selected. So now you can delete it, you can remove it, you can move it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.